The canary in the coal mine is gasping. Seniors. It's here! Ever hear that old saying, the canary in the coal mine? Miners used to bring a little bird underground with them. If the canary started gasping, that was the signal. Danger was coming. Time to act. Well, seniors, the canary in today's coal mine is gasping. And the warning isn't about the air we breathe. It's about our money. Right now, more and more people are falling behind on car payments. That's not just about cars. It's an early warning, the first sign of a financial spiral. Miss a payment, your credit drops. With bad credit, you pay more for loans, more for insurance. Sometimes you can't even rent an apartment. Suddenly, everything costs more and you've got less to spend. Millions of seniors across this country are caught in that spiral, and it's not slowing down. But here's where things are different for us. We're living in the twilight zone of aging. Our parents had no choice but to own a car. We don't. Today, we've got Uber, Lyft, Amazon, Instacart, even self-driving cars coming fast. You don't need to keep an expensive hunk of metal sitting in the driveway, draining your wallet, when you only use it a few times a week. The freedom of this generation is the freedom to rethink. So what can you do? Here are a few steps to protect yourself before the spiral grabs hold. If you've got a 3-bedroom house, rent one out. Let your home work for you. Share car costs with a family member or neighbor, or skip ownership and use rideshare. Cut the fat, cable bundles, overpriced phone plans, unused subscriptions. And build an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 months of expenses. Even $25 a week turns into $2,300 a year. That little cushion can keep you out of crisis. The canary in the coal mine is gasping. That's the warning we can't afford to ignore. Seniors, what you need to do now is act. Cut back, build savings, rethink old habits. Don't wait for the spiral to pull you under. For more insights like this, pick up my book, The Twilight Zone of Aging, available on Amazon or at twilightzoneofaging.com. Because this isn't about fear, it's about preparing wisely so we can live smarter, safer, and more vibrantly in the years ahead.